What is that?
It's pickle.
Pickle?
It's a pickle.
Who did that? Who did that? That was just a small glimpse into parenthood. My wife had a baby a few days ago. So I guess now I actually have to take care of my son, feed him and stuff. Before my wife gave birth, though, I had a chance to clean up in here. And while I was cleaning and scrubbing and brushing, I found out my hose here has a pretty big crack in it. And it's smaller cracks than these other ribs here. So hopped on eBay, got a new one. I'm not sure if this is OEM or not. Looks exactly the same, it's in good shape, so I'm gonna get the other one off. If you've seen my last video where I replaced my valve cover gasket, you'll remember why I learned to always unplug your battery. Well, I'm always gonna unplug my battery because I don't want to die today. I don't know if that made a difference, honestly. It might just be like a, what's it called, a placebo effect. But the throttle does feel a bit more responsive. What size do you need, man? Come on. Hey man, are you ASC certified by any chance? Check it out, man. This is the original. It's worse now that it's off of the car. What? This is going in the garbage. It's crazy. crazy, man. Before I changed this hose, I felt like every time I started in first gear, my car would stutter a bit. And I thought that was just a normal thing in driving this car, but check me out. I mean, look, starting in first gear, there's like no stutter. So, I wonder if that's been the cause of my low MPG. Like 19 miles per gallon. I'll see how it goes. I'll give it a couple weeks. I mean, my wife just had a baby.